Hello and welcome to today's Focus on the Test mini lesson. Welcome to all of our subscribers and thank you very much for joining us. Also to our students, continue the excellent progress that you're making and remember that your labor is not in vain. It will pay off in the end. If you're an adult seeking to earn your high school credential, be sure to check out our website at www.yourpathforadultlearners.com where you can learn more about our online GED and HISET program. So now on to our lesson for the day.
So now here's what a test item may look like. What would be the logical second step in solving for the value of x in the equation 3x minus 6 equals 12? And here you have your 5 options. You have option A, add 6 to both sides. B, divide both sides by 3. C, subtract 6 from both sides. D, multiply both sides by 3, and E, add 12 to both sides. So hello everyone. So now as we look at this particular problem here, some of you may be able to answer this problem fairly easy by mentally going through the process in your head and coming to the correct answer. However, some of you may not be able to answer this particular problem as easy, and so you do want to go through the steps of solving the equation in order to determine the correct answer to your problem. So in this case, we do have the equation 3x minus 6 equals 12. So as we have discussed in previous videos as well, and you can go through the video collection to actually look at how we have solved equations. We have several of them in the collection. You want to begin by adding first, okay? So that's going to be the first step. So you're going to actually add 6, in this case, to both sides of your equation. By doing so, this actually allows you to eliminate your 6's on your left side because a negative 6 plus a positive 6 actually cancel each other out, okay? Leaving us with 0. So after you've done that, you're going to just bring down your 3x on your left side, equal sign, and remember to also add here, okay? So 12 plus 6 will give us 18. So now our second step in this process is actually to divide. We're going to divide each side by 3 because that is currently the coefficient of x, okay? So when we divide 3 into 3, we actually get 1. And 1 times any number will actually give you the value of that number. So when we bring down our x, we do not have to bring down a 1 because that's already implied. So now we're going to divide our 3 into 18, and when we do so, we actually get 6 here. So we know the value of x, which is 6, but that's not what our question is actually asking us. So when we look at our question, which states again what would be the logical second step in solving the value of x in the equation 3x minus 6 equals 12, having gone through the process, we know that our second step is actually here, where we divide. So we're actually going to divide each side by 3. So now we can come over here to our options and we see that option B, divide both sides by 3, is the correct choice. And now we can eliminate options A, C, D, and E because we know that they do not apply in terms of answering our question correctly.
So good luck testing. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification button down below so that you're notified on our new releases. Also, join us on our other social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.